A year ago, the sentence, "I built a piece of software," required a computer science degree, a co-founder, and about $30,000. Today, it requires a clear problem and an afternoon. I'm not exaggerating. Non-programmers are now using AI agents to ship working apps, and senior engineers are watching a year of their work get rebuilt in an hour. That shift is the single biggest money opportunity of the decade, and the window where it's easy is closing. So in this episode, I'm going to walk you through building a tiny app that people pay for every month. Stay to the middle. There's a pricing trick that turns a $5 tool into a real income. Welcome to Episode 2. In Episode 1, we built a digital product and got our first dollar, a one-time sale. Today, we level up to the thing that actually changes your life, recurring revenue. A small tool that solves one annoying problem, that people pay for month after month, that you build once. Welcome to the simulation files. This file is now open. Let me explain why this works now and didn't 2 years ago, because understanding it tells you exactly how to use it. The AI labs crossed a line recently. The tool stopped being autocomplete that writes a function and became agents. They can plan a whole app, write the code across multiple files, run it, see what breaks, and fix it themselves. Anthropic's coding tool got so popular that people with zero programming background started using it to do real, technical things. And the company literally built a friendlier version aimed at non-coders. What that means for you, your job is no longer to write software. Your job is to describe it clearly and have taste about whether it's any good. The developer's role didn't disappear. It moved up, from typing code to directing it. You can be the director today, with no experience, because the expensive skill just became a conversation. Now, do not let the word software scare you into thinking you need the next big app. You don't. The money is in the boring, narrow, one-job tool. Here's the rule. Build the thing a specific professional would pay $20 a month to stop doing by hand. A tool that turns a photographer's shoot notes into client-ready galleries. A tracker that helps a contractor send quotes in 2 minutes instead of 20. A tool that takes a podcaster's episode and spits out the captions, the titles, the show notes. None of these are impressive at a party. All of them save a busy person 30 minutes a day. And 30 minutes a day is easily worth $20, $30, $50 a month to the right person. Same method as Episode 1. Find a specific person. Find the annoying repetitive thing they do and aim the tool straight at it. Specific wins. Generic dies. Here's where I show you it's real. And right after this, I'm going to give you the pricing move that most people get completely wrong. So don't drift off. I open the AI agent and I describe the tool like I'm explaining it to a smart friend. Build me a simple web app where a freelancer pastes in a project brief and it generates a clean, professional quote with line items and a total. Make it look trustworthy. Let them copy the result and keep it dead simple. Make it look trustworthy. Let them copy the result and keep it dead simple. Watch what it does. It doesn't just write code. It builds the thing, runs it, hits an error, and fixes its own error. I'm not debugging. I'm watching. When something looks off, I don't open the code. I just say in plain English, make the button bigger and add a field for the client's name. And it does it. That loop, describe, look, refine, is the entire skill. You already have it. You've been giving feedback your whole life. In an afternoon, I have a working tool I can put online with a link. Not a mock-up, a real thing a stranger can use. Okay, here's the part I promised. Most people build a great little tool and then charge once for it. $5, $10, and wonder why they're not getting anywhere. The magic isn't the price. It's the word monthly. Here's the math, and it's the most important math in this whole series. Sell a $10 product once, you make $10 once. Build a tool people pay $9 a month for and get 100 of them, and that's $900 every month on work you did once. 200 people at $19 a month is $3,800 a month. Passive after the build. That is the entire reason software founders get rich and most digital product sellers stay stuck. Recurring revenue doesn't reset to zero on the first of the month. it compounds, and you do not need 1,000 users. You need a small number of the right users who genuinely miss your tool if it vanished. That's a very reachable number. That's the dream that's actually within arm's reach. Now the honest part, because I will not sell you a fantasy. A tool that nobody uses is worth nothing, no matter how cleanly the AI built it. So you do the episode 1 move first. You validate. You describe the tool in the community. You get people saying, "I'd pay for that." Ideally, you take a few founding payments before you polish it. Build for paying users, because free users will tell you they love it and never open their wallet. Even 5 paying people is a signal worth chasing. And the trap to dodge this episode: don't add 50 features. The instinct is to keep building, because the AI makes building so easy. Resist it. One tool, one job, done really well. 100 features nobody asked for is just a fancier way to fail. Your one job before episode 3, write 1 sentence describing a tool for a specific job. A thing that helps this person stop doing this annoying task by hand. Drop it in the comments. I'll tell you whether it's a real product or a feature and how I'd build it. But here's the thing. You can have the best product and the best tool in the world and make $0 if nobody knows it exists. That's the silent killer. It's why most people with great products are broke. So, episode 3 is the one that actually matters most. Distribution. How total strangers find your stuff and buy it. The faceless channel engine. And the honest, no fantasy math that stacks all of this to $21,000 a month. That's the finale. Subscribe so it lands in your feed the second it drops. Do your one job, and I'll see you in episode 3.